Welcome to the Long Run. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
What are we doing today?
We have a bonus video for you.
All right.
Okay. So Monday, this date, because I can't think of what it was, is
The 2nd, September the 2nd.
There you go. September 2nd is Labor Day. And as always, we always take off on the holidays, U.S. holidays, because that's where we live. So we're going to take off on that day. We will be back on Wednesday for our podcast video, which we hope that you will tune in for. It's going to be an interesting one for sure. And then after that, the very next week, our son, daughter-in-law, and our little Minnie is coming for a visit. And this will be the first time that little Minnie has been here to see us. We've gone to see her, but she hadn't been here. So we're going to be taking off that next week so that we can spend time with our family.
All right. And if you're here in the States and you're celebrating Labor Day this weekend, we want to wish all of you a happy and safe Labor Day. That's going to do it today. For the Long Run, I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.